How to check the credit card application status of your Bank of America credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check Bank of America's credit card application status. So if you have applied for your credit card application and if you don't know about its status, this is what you do. First, open up a web browser, simply search for Check Bank of America's credit card application status. Then, after you search for that, you'll find this credit card application status website. Open that up. After you're here, this page will load. Now, all you have to do is give your information here. So, enter out your last name, then your date of birth, whatever it is. And after you do that, you can then type in your 4-digit of your social security number. So, after you do that, you will then be prompted to your to your basically status. So also type in the digit, and after you do that, tap on submit and you can see the status. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.